We are in Corpus Christi, Texas. We are off the Intercoastal Waterway. See? Right about there, there is a channel that runs right off the ICW, runs right through here all the way in. We're gonna hang here for a minute, see what we can pick up. All right, let's do it. I was out here yesterday. They were hitting on this pretty good. So we're gonna try it again, see what happens. Oh man, I had him. Man, had him. Seeing some activity over here, a little bit out of the range of my fly rod, so we're gonna go with this. One more cast, one more, and then we're moving. Fishy, 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 fishy. Stopped here, made a few casts, and they got like 4 hits on this thing. The guy was following it in. Of course, it's probably gone now. Oh, we got something. Come on. Oh, and he's gone. Where there's one, there's usually more. Maybe. That's the first fish we had in a while, but it's all good. Let's keep going. Guys, we've been drifting this flat right here for a while, anchoring up every once in a while, casting out. Got a few strikes, but no big commitments. Anyway, we're gonna switch. We're gonna switch Super Spook. We're gonna give this one a try. Oh, we got one. Finally got one. Ooh, got him in the eye too. tell you what, We've been throwing topwaters all morning, and these fish have just been hammering these topwaters. I mean, coming like out of the water and just repeatedly, just boom, 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 boom. Missing, 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 missing. So, here we go. Alright, what do we got? Nope, little dink. See you later, buddy. Well, the sun is getting high in the sky. We've been out here about a good 6 hours and have little to show for it. Not that the fish aren't biting, it's just that we're just not catching them. I don't know what the deal is. It's like the fish are blind or something. I don't know, but we got a pretty good paddle back over there to the bridge. Against the wind, I might add. So we're gonna start heading that way. We might stop, we might stop 1 or 2 spots before that, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on out here. This is weird. Yeah, here comes a tsunami. Thanks a lot. You got over here, check this out. You got a 200-foot wide channel, at least 200 feet wide. And that comes right to the edge, which is right there. Gave us a little beach day. Isn't that nice of him? Man, fuck that guy. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Thank you for coming along. Appreciate it. Throw me a comment if you want. Let me know what's going on in the flats out here, because they have not been too good to me lately. All right, y'all take care. Peace out.